reporting.
Okay.
Yes, Joe.
Okay.
Hold in. Okay, thank you so much.
39, I'm being told there's someone trapped in the car closest to the fire. I can't see. If I break the window, can you get out?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna break the window.
Okay.
There you go. Yes, I can.
My shoes.
That's right. You grab onto me. You grab onto me. And let me know when you got me. You got me?
Got it.
He's the only one? That's right. You the only one?
Yes.
All right, I busted the window. I got her out of that car. I'm getting everybody backed up. And traffic is completely stopped on the interstate.
Sir, I did get it on my dash cam if you end up
Cool.
needing it.
FHP will need it. Tell everybody to come up the off-ramp, including fire, up the off-ramp. All right, fire's 97, at least one of them. I'm gonna go behind the trailer, see if there's any placards on it. And I don't know about the semi-truck driver. He may still be in it. No placards. I can see at least 7 involved. I'm not to the end of the line yet. You good? Just your head? All right, just sit there. All right, my injured person I put on the grass. The one up front, nobody was in. Nobody's in the gray van. I got one with a head injury in the gray silver Jeep, and I'm still making my way back. Yeah, y'all come stand over there. I don't want them by the edge. Yeah, y'all go over here. Right there's good. This is all yours.
Okay, I need you to listen to me.
Y'all come over here. Y'all go stand over here. Okay, y'all come stand over here. This is all yours, right? Just these 3?
Yes.
I got the back side.
All right. And 390. Add 2 more vehicles to whatever I gave you originally. I'm sorry. Add 3 more vehicles to what I gave you originally.
Call
my mom and check on her.
Can you get out for me? You smell that diesel fuel? You think your leg's broke? All right, and the maroon car, if you'll tell fire, they can't see me. I missed it. It's behind the lawn trailer, behind the SUV pressed up against the rail for the overpass. I got a guy with a possible broken leg. There's diesel fuel all over the interstate, so we need to get these people out of the cars and get them moved back.
I got all but 2 and that guy out of the cars. Her door's trying to get it open.
All right. Or can you just climb out this way?
Can you climb out this way, or is your back hurting too much?
My neck and everything is hurting.
Well, do you smell that diesel fuel? This whole place is covered in diesel. I'm to it, but I just need EMS to hear because I think he's got a broke leg. I'm just trying to get him out of here. He doesn't look like he's pinned in any way.
We need help with crack.
Is it open?
Yeah. It's still stuck inside.
No, I got the one that was pinned. Pulled her out. I broke the window and pulled her out.
There's a lawnmower from this.
Up there, yeah.
Over there.
I don't know. Do you think it's broken? Because I want to get you out of here with all this diesel fuel. And actually, let me get these kids moved real quick too. Hold that door, Smith. I know I put you here. This is all diesel fuel. I want you back here. Broken leg. Hey, y'all hold hands.
Let me get my purse.
That's fine. Hey, y'all hold hands. Hold each other's hands. Hold hands. There you go. Hey, sweetheart. It'll be all right, sweetheart.
Are you a police?
I am. I have a dog in the car too. Maybe I can show you a little bit.
I was buckled in if we go to go class. He's in preschool. She's in kindergarten.
You guys be brave for mama.
First time we never had to go to class when we were this big.
I'm sure.
This is the first
Yeah,
time
there
we
is. So
ever
y'all go back here.
Look at me. You come with me.
Y'all go back here.
Come with me.
Y'all go back here.